best friend gave me the best advice. He said each day's a gift and not a given right. Leave no stone unturned, leave your fears behind, and try to take the path less traveled by. That first step you take is the longest ride. If today was your last day and tomorrow was too late, could you say goodbye to yesterday? Would you live each moment like your last? Leave old pictures in the past, donate every dime you had. If today was your last day, against the grain should be a way of life. What's worth the prize is always worth the fight. Every second counts, 'cause there's no second try. So live like you've never lived it twice. Don't take the free ride in your own life. If today was your last day and tomorrow was too late, could you say goodbye to yesterday? Would you live each moment like your last? Leave old pictures in the past, donate every dime you had. And what you call those friends you've never seen, reminisce on memories. Would you forgive your enemies? And would you find that one you dreaming of? Swear up and down to God above that you finally fall in love. If today was your last day, if today was your last day, would you make your mark by mending a broken heart? You know it's never too late to shoot for the stars, regardless of who you are. So do whatever it takes, 'cause you can't rewind a moment in this life. Let nothing stand in your way, 'cause the hands of time are never on your side. If today was your last day and tomorrow was too late, could you say goodbye to yesterday? Or would you live each moment like your last? Leave old pictures in the past, donate every dime you had. And what you call those friends you've never seen, reminisce on memories. Would you forgive your enemies? And would you find that one you're dreaming of? Swear up and down to God above that you finally fall in love. If today was your last day. This time, this place, misused, mistakes, too long, too late. Who was I to make you wait? Just one chance, just one breath, just in case there's just one left. 'Cause you know, you know, you know I love you. I loved you all one we all dream of, but dreams just aren't enough, so I'll be waiting for the real thing. I'll know it by the feeling, the moment when we're meeting. We'll play out like a scene, straight off the silver screen, so I'll be holding my breath right up till the end, until that moment when I find the one that'll spend forever with. 'Cause nobody wants to be the last one there, and everyone wants to feel like someone cares, someone to love with my life in their hands. There's gotta be somebody for me like that, 'cause nobody wants to go it on their own. If everyone wants to know they're not alone, there's somebody else that feels the same somewhere. There's gotta be somebody for me out there tonight, out on the street, out in the moonlight. And damn it, this feels too right. It's just like deja vu, me standing here with you, so I'll be holding my breath. Could this be the end? Is it that moment when I find the one that'll spend forever with? 'Cause nobody wants to be the last one there, and everyone wants to feel like someone cares, someone to love with my life in their hands. There's gotta be somebody for me like that, 'cause nobody wants to go it on their own. If everyone wants to know they're not alone, there's somebody else that feels the same somewhere. There's gotta be somebody for me out there. You can't give up a diamond in the rough when it shows up, 'cause it could be the one you're waiting on. 'Cause nobody wants to be the last one there, and everyone wants to feel like someone cares, someone to love with my life in their hands. There's gotta be somebody for me. Oh, nobody wants to go it on their own, and everyone wants to know they're not alone. There's somebody else that feels the same somewhere. There's gotta be somebody for me out there. Nobody wants to be the last one there, and everyone wants to feel like someone cares, somebody else that feels the same somewhere. There's gotta be somebody for me out there. Just one more moment, that's all that's needed. Like wounded soldiers in need of healing. Time to be honest, this time I'm pleading. Please don't dwell on it, 'cause I didn't mean it. I can't believe I said I'd lay our love on the ground, but it doesn't matter, 'cause I made it up. Forgive me now. Every day I spend away I'm sick